Middle-aged couple exhausted from crazy mileage accumulated over holiday. Okay, masyadong maraming words for a five-letter answer. Hmm, crazy for sure. Anagram indicator. Middle selection. Middle-aged couple. So, middle ng age, tapos couple, GE. Sige, not sure ah. Possible lang to. Exhausted. So, tatanggalin kasi na-exhaust. From crazy mileage. So, yun nga, crazy, anagram indicator. So, i-anagram si mileage. So, possible ang definition is accumulated over holiday. Makes sense. Kasi mileage, 7 letters. Tapos, natanggalin ang 2 letters dahil sa GE, na exhausted. Okay. Sige. So, i-anagram si Milia. Accumulated over holiday. Anong possible definition ito? Email. Tama. Email. Accumulated over holiday. Check. Ayos. Bye.